Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica Sharma, and if you're new to this channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. So, as you all know by the title of the video, I am doing my full makeup with 2 to 3 lipsticks. So I got this idea from one of my friends. She suggested me कि please ये करके देख, it is very nice, अच्छा लगेगा. So I'm not pretty comfortable अपना specs उतार के makeup करना because I look very weird because I cannot see much without my specs. बहुत ज़्यादा number है. So I got my mirror with me. So I'll be doing my makeup like this, not directly into the camera. Without wasting any more time, let's start. All my lipsticks here जितनी थी घर में इकट्ठी कर ली हैं. And right now I have nothing on my face, absolutely nothing. So it's like कि मैंने face wash किया, moisturize किया, and here I am. So मेरे brushes here है and my lipsticks are here. So I guess I'm pretty ready. So we'll start with the base. So I don't think so मेरे पास base होगा, base के color की lipstick होएगी, but I'll think I'll check अगर कुछ नियर बाय भी मिल जाएगा तो वो बिल. I got this lipstick. This is not exactly nude or something, but ये pink हो जाऊंगी मैं. I am pretty sure about it. ये pink है. I guess I'll be fine. Okay, here's my brush. My forehead looks a little awkward. Even my face looks very awkward. So I guess मैं थोड़ी पिंक हो गई हूँ. So now I am done with my so-called base, and I guess वो काफ़ी सही मैच कर गया मेरे स्किन के हिसाब से. I find कहीं नहीं हो रहा, और I have tried वो नहीं हो रहा. So I guess now I'll move forward with the I looked at as eyeshadow. So let's see. Okay, so for the eyes I got this lipstick. I guess with my look I got this water flick written in red. So I'll be doing a red lipstick and a nude eyeshadow and a little bit of blush, जिससे बन जाएगा. And I personally don't do contour at all. I'm actually too bad at it, or whatever you wanna say. तो मैंने कभी अपनी लाइफ में contour किया ही नहीं है खुद. मतलब shoots is totally different and my personal makeup session is totally different. So I don't think I'll be doing contour. If I am not doing kabhi bhi, तो I won't be doing it for the video. So I'll be just doing my routine जो भी मैं करती हूँ with the lipsticks. So yeah. So now I just have to blend it. So let's see. I am not into makeup बहुत ज़्यादा, मतलब not eyeshadow and stuff. मेरे से होता नहीं है क्योंकि. Let's see. I don't know क्योंकि मुझे दिखा ही नहीं मैंने कैसे blend किया. I don't even think so it is visible. I don't think ये इसमें तो बिल्कुल भी दिख रहा है. It is very light. So I'll be doing I guess 2-3 कोट इसके. Okay, so it looks like this. मेरे से बहुत अच्छे से होता नहीं है. So this is what I can do by my own. And yeah. And the lipstick stuff बहुत ज़्यादा mess-up हो गया है because मेरी लिपस्टिक मेरे हाथों पर लग गई है. And I literally spoiled one of my favorite lipstick. So, yeah. And yeah, I didn't only use this Masaba Wali. I used one lipstick from Nykaa as well because that was too nude. Uska shade I नहीं रहा था, so I used this one as well. And now I think let's not just leave the eyes too simple. So I'll be doing it like थोड़ा gloss के साथ. It's like literally बहुत पतला सा कुछ करके. Now it is pretty I need to settle it down a bit because बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है and it's I'm trying my best. Sara gloss I wasted. Oh, it's very hot. I cannot. I am sitting without fan and AC because AC में error आ रहा है. पंखा चलाऊंगी तो आवाज़ आएगी. So now we are done with our eyeshadow. It's
too sticky.
Now I'll be blush with the same lipstick I applied on my eyes. So it's the pretty simple. Just merge it with your hand. बहुत ज़्यादा लगा दिया नहीं ठीक है. So I guess my blush is मैं इतनी गंदी lighting हूँ. So I think my blush is done as well. I don't put बहुत ज़्यादा. So now the thing is highlighter कहाँ से लाए? So maybe we can put on some gloss, but ये pink है. And the nude lipstick हमने use की थी for my base. Will not probably go with that. So I guess हम लोग use करेंगे my gloss. It's from Revlon. So let's try. I guess try करने में क्या? This is pretty pink. I'm pretty sure कि नहीं होगा इतना अच्छा, but okay, let's try. I guess pink highlighter भी आती है ना? आती है. Okay, I am turning pink. I'm turning pretty pink, so yeah. Or maybe we can use the lipstick same as my base. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. The highlighter is not working out with my with any of my lipstick. So I guess I have the last thing is lipstick. So the thing is कि I did, but the camera में nothing is showing. I don't know why. Maybe because of the lighting. I don't have a very good lighting. So bad. Now I'll be applying the lipstick. I'm not pretty sure about my lipstick because I did glossy eyes and red lipstick would be too much. But I guess let's give it a shot first. Lip balm. And then I'll be doing the lipstick. So yeah, I got this tint from L'Oreal. It's like I don't have to put a lot of it, but this will give a pretty nice look to my. It will complement, and it's not exactly red. So I guess this will be pretty good according to our so-called makeup. I have a story related to this tent as well. I had the same tent in a different color, so I took it in my bag school. तो वहाँ जाके suddenly out of nowhere बैग चेक हो गए and they took my favorite tent and आज तक मुझे वापस नहीं मिली, but I miss it a lot. मैंने उसके बाद दोबारा लीव ही नहीं. So I am surviving on this red one, but that pink tent was very nice, so I will say कि तुम तो ले लो. So I am done with my lipstick as well. I won't call it a lipstick, but a tint. I will apply a proper layer of lipstick as well. मैंने पूरी lipstick की तरह ही लगा लिया है. So I guess I need to do something with the darker shade. My all-time favorite lipstick. So I guess with the eye look it's not looking that bad. But मेरे इस कैमरे में खाली लिपस्टिक ही शो हो रही होगी, nothing else. So never mind, I'll show you the exact look. And this was a total random video again because I already told you that I am not into makeup, especially only with lipsticks only, and eyeshadow वगैरह तो मुझसे लगाया जाता ही नहीं है. So I don't even know मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ. It was just an idea of one of my friends, Keshvi, कि do it with the lipstick, you can do it or something. So I did it, but I don't know how it is looking. So if we open the hair, okay, I'm sweating बहुत ज़्यादा because of the गर्मी, but I guess it looks like this, and I guess it's pretty good. बहुत बुरा नहीं है. I can even go out इस makeup के साथ because I am very satisfied with the look. So I guess I'll end the video here and I'll show my proper look in the end. I'll be recording myself again, मतलब only the face look, only the makeup. So then I'll be putting it up. मैं naturally highlighter आ गया, ऐसा वो इतनी बार हटाया लगाया ना. So now I guess I'm done with the video. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and do tell me in the comment section what you want to see next, because I am pretty out of content right now. So I made this video only because I got no content and it sounded काफ़ी fun होगा. It sounds काफ़ी fun कि doing makeup with lipsticks only. So I did this. So if you like this, please don't forget to drop a like down below, and I'll be putting up the video now.